These are dominoes. You will notice that there are two sides to each domino. Each side has a set of dots, and these are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to help us with our counting. Now, I could take one domino and I could make a 2-digit number to count by. So in this case, I have 65. But I want to do some counting with a 3-digit number. So what I'm going to do is take another one of the dominoes. Now I have 4 different quantities here. So I'm going to choose 3 of the quantities to make a 3-digit number. I'm going to choose 6, I'm going to choose the 5, and I'm going to choose the 4. And so I've made the number 654. Now I can skip count different patterns with this number. So for example, I could skip count forward by ones from 654, 655, 656. I could skip count by 2s from this number. So the next would be 656, 658, 660. I could skip count by 10s. 654, 664, 674, and so on. I could also put this number within a skip counting sequence. So if I wanted to skip count by 2s, I could start with 650, 652, 654, 656, and so on. So here are some of the ways in which we can use the dominoes to make a number that then we can skip count by.